So again we will talk about Chat4sales. In this video I will show you how to use Chat4sales from your mobile phone without installing any WhatsApp. So the first, you have to go to Play Store and find the application which called Unihotel for Staff. So just install it. My one is already installed. So go back and just log in with the same password and same email address from your mobile phone. So you will got this kind of application which is replication of your computer and replication of WhatsApp. So same way how you're using WhatsApp, you can use this application. So you can communicate with the clients in the same way. Like that, hello. Okay. So you can see the tag for this message deliver or not. You can use the tags which are available in, from computer as well. You can add new or use the existing one. You can use translator if necessary from any language. You can translator. You can manage users. Little bit slow connection. Just wait. Okay. You can manage the users. Just same way what you're doing from computer. You can delete or you can add the users. You can use the chatbot if it is installed. Okay, you can enable or disable, and you can use the same thing smiles, which are using normal WhatsApp. And other things, you can communicate with your colleagues which don't use this WhatsApp number. So this is the local communication. For example, one of my colleagues, she's communicating from her computer. Okay, so in the same number, which is WhatsApp doesn't have these facilities now. But in this solution, we can communicate with each other even we have the same number. So what's the benefit of that? All your colleagues will use the same unique WhatsApp number. The first thing, they can communicate with the clients. Okay, clients will never know about it is several people can talk with him. Other things, your staff can communicate between each other within the same number. So hopefully it was useful for you to understand the product.